Ladies and gentlemen, Trader Joe here. It's Friday. Boy, ain't it a good May the 1st on a Friday. Here we go. Everybody got their tax returns. It's end of the month, first of the month, however you want to look at it. Big balling if you got that one, you get paid once a month. We'll see what happens, man. Stock market seems to be going along pretty strong. Everybody's bitching about the gas prices, and I'm sure that shit will get settled in sooner or later. They had it a while back, gas prices getting expensive before, and people got rid of their gas guzzlers and got small cars, and then maybe a year later, gas prices went down. They're like, oh man, I really want my big SUV again, and so they switched back, and now they're upside down. And same thing with the recently when gas prices went up a couple years ago. Everybody's like, oh yeah, I need to go out and get this EV, 100,000. And then year later, oh man, let me get my gas car back again. And oh shit, they go to trade in, the EV done lost 50% of its value, so they're really upside down. I think the real thing in life, you just got to kind of wait around and wait things out. Don't be impatient and do anything rash, and got to think things over. You just can't just like a knee-jerk reaction and go do this just because it seems like it's a easy thing to do, and then you just stick yourself in a deeper hole later on. So yeah, it's just everybody got all that free money during COVID and just went crazy spending wild instead of, well, some of us did maybe put it aside and save it for a rainy day or pay off our debts, but otherwise people just blew it partying up and caused a lot of big inflation. The government just screwed up on that, man. That set everything in a domino effect. So yeah, prices are crazy high, man, especially food. Just gotta, I don't know what you gotta do. If, get your priorities in order, and what's ever more important to you, just take care of that and handle your business. We'll see y'all later.